Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Zelle account. First, launch and open the Zelle app on your mobile phone. Tap the Get Started button at the bottom and allow all the necessary permissions. Next, enter your mobile number in the field provided. Tap Continue and agree to the privacy and security agreement. Fill in the additional details to finish setting up your account, including your name, email, and link bank account. Once you're done, you can start sending and receiving money directly through your link bank account. And that's it. That's how you create a Zelle account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.